Africa has been will be coming shortly. Nairobi County, thank you so much. And of course, Nakuru County.
Kindly take your seats so that we can give His Excellency an opportunity. I'm requesting that all of us, ladies and gentlemen,
I think the whole Kenya is gonna.
4, 3, 2, 1, and they're off!
In 2013, I made a pledge to my fellow citizens that we would bring the Safari Rally back home. And I also promised that I would return the Safari Rally to its position as one of the International Automobile Federation's and the World Rally Championship's toughest rallies. This goal has materialized 9 years later into the event that we are witnessing today. It has been a pleasure interacting with rally drivers, and indeed I look forward to witnessing their expertise in the coming days.